So in this video here, we're going to do a quick calculation to calculate the mean. To calculate the mean in Excel, you use the keyword or the function name called average. To do this calculation in Excel, you type in equals average and then highlight your data. And then close the parenthesis and you hit enter and you get the result. Sometimes people have trouble highlighting the data, and sometimes it might be easier to just type in the range of data values. So for instance, we know our data starts at A1 and finishes over here at J4. So we could alternatively go average type in A1 colon, that just lets Excel know that you're selecting a range, and then it finishes in cell J4 and then hit enter. That's how you calculate the mean in Excel.